Good actor. Emotional actor, are we? Come on, Pedro, up! He wants a big round of applause, everybody. Give it up for Pedro! Very nice, you know, big guy. Now, the good news is there are ways for us to help the situation. We don't need to go big, we start simple. We reduce, we reuse, we recycle. Reduce the amount of trash we make and try to reuse materials. Pedro has got two excellent ideas today. That bag he is hanging on to right now. It is made of canvas, okay? And it is a great shopping area, also help to save on paper and plastic. That's not all, we've got another example. And both of these examples are durable objects. We need to cut down on one-time use plastic products. What I'm talking about is those mineral water bottles we often buy. Instead, invest a little bit more on plastic products that could withstand time. Now, if you want a plastic water bottle like the one Pedro is hanging on to right now, just visit any one of our souvenir shops, okay? And then lastly, we're going to try one of the most famous items. This is something Pedro is really good at. And we could also follow that example. You want to do it? Midnight is a bad habit, everybody. Look at that. Very disgusting midnight. We've got Pedro on the way. Okay, we got it? Now you know what to do. Head into the nearest recycling center. Pedro, do it! Pop it in! There we go. But let's face it, the sea lion could be trained to do this. It is about time we do our part as well and put a stop to the ocean's deadliest monster, everybody.